everyone, I am Pushpit Kaur from Swami Vivekanand Senior Secondary School, Goriwala, wishing you and your family a very happy Diwali. As we all know why Diwali is celebrated. On this day, Lord Rama, along with his wife Sita and brother Lakshman, returned to Ayodhya after an exile of 14 years. So the people of Ayodhya lighted the earthen lamps on the honor of Lord Rama. So at last I wanna say that light a lamp of love, blast a chain of sorrow, fire a flower pot of happiness. Wishing you and your family a very happy and sparkling Diwali. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Kavita from Plus 2 Science. Diwali is a festival of light. It is celebrated all over the India due to the victory of light over the darkness. On this day, Lord Rama returned to the Ayodhya after defeating the Ravan. On this day, people celebrate the festival by decorating the homes, by lighting the candles and diyas at their home. People give gifts and snacks and sweets to their relatives and friends. On this day, children await for this festival because on this day they want the crackers that give the joy and happiness to them. So may this Diwali bring happiness and joy to your life. Once again, happy Diwali to all. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I am Arshdeep Kaur from Swami Vivekanand Senior Secondary School, Goriwala. Today I have some important lines on Diwali. India is a great country which is known as the land of festival. It is a festival which is very great, which is Diwali. Diwali is a great festival which is celebrated all over the world. Due to the firecrackers, animals and birds face lot of trouble. So we should burn less firecrackers and make eco-friendly Diwali. Thank you and happy Diwali again.
Hello everyone, my name is Nagma. I am a TGT teacher from Maths and Science in this school. I am here to deliver my few words regarding Diwali. So in India we have lot of festivals, but the most important and memorable festival is Diwali. And Diwali means row of lights. It comes from the Hindi word Deepavali. And in India we have a lot of people celebrate this Diwali with great joy and happiness. So let's make this Diwali the most wonderful day of this year, and may this Diwali brings you more happiness and prosperity. So wishing you and your family a very happy Diwali. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kushal from 7th class. The Diwali is festival of light. May this Diwali bring light of happiness in your life. Thanks for listening me. Happy Diwali to all.
Hello everyone, first of all happy Diwali to all of you. I am Ashpreet from 7th class. Today I am describing my favorite festival, that is Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights. It is one of the biggest and grandest festivals celebrated mainly in India. Diwali is also known as Deepavali, falls during the month of October or November. Diwali is celebrated in the honor of Lord Ramchandra. As per Hindu mythology, it is believed on this day Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. During this exile period, he fought with demons and demon king Ravana, who was the powerful king of Lanka. On Rama return, people of Ayodhya lit diyas to welcome him and celebrate his victory. Since then, Diwali is celebrated to declare the victory of God. Thanks to listen me and happy Diwali to all of you.
खुशियों का पर्व है दिवाली, मस्ती की फुहार है दिवाली. खुशियों का पर्व है दिवाली, मस्ती की फुहार है दिवाली. लक्ष्मी पूजन का दिन है दिवाली, अपनों का प्यार है दिवाली. तो मेरी तरफ से आप सभी को हैप्पी दिवाली. धन्यवाद.
Hello everyone, first of all happy Diwali to all. My name is Deepika from 9th standard. Today I wanted to present my views on Diwali. Diwali is the festival of light. It is celebrated on the day when Lord Ram returned to Ayodhya. He came after living for 14 years in forest and killing Ravan. People of Ayodhya welcomed him by lighting oil lamps. We also light candles and diyas on Diwali. I like to shop for sweets and gifts with my family. Our teacher suggested us to celebrate a green Diwali. We should celebrate Diwali with small crackers. I suggest you that please avoid ready-made and Chinese products. Again happy Diwali and a safe Diwali. Thanks.
सबसे पहले आप सभी को दीपावली की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. मैं जशनदीप कौर स्वामी विवेकानंद सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल से कक्षा 11वीं की छात्रा आपको दीपावली के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहती हूँ. जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं कि दीपावली रोशनी का त्यौहार है और इसे पूरे भारतवर्ष में बड़े ही धूमधाम से मनाया जाता है. कहा जाता है कि इस दिन भगवान श्री राम अपना 14 वर्ष का वनवास पूरा करके अयोध्या वापस लौटे थे, तो उनके आने की खुशी में अयोध्या वासियों ने घी के दिए जलाकर उनका स्वागत किया था. जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं कि दीपावली रोशनी का त्यौहार है और इसके साथ साथ हम इसे पटाखे जलाकर भी मनाते हैं, जो कि हमारे वातावरण को प्रदूषित कर देता है. तो अंत में मैं आपको यही कहना चाहूँगी कि इस बार हमें पटाखों के बिना दीपावली का जो त्यौहार है वो मनाना है. धन्यवाद.
First of all, hello everyone. I am Harshita from class 10 present studying under Swami Vivekanand Senior Secondary School, Goriwala. I want to give you some wishes on Diwali. This Diwali may you be blessed with good fortune as long as Ganesh is drunk, wealth and prosperity as big as his stomach, happiness as sweet as his laddus, and may your trouble be small as his mouth. Wishing you a happy very Diwali to all of you. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shiksha from Jandwala. I am studying Science Future and Kind Control of Swami Vivekanand Senior Secondary School, Goriwala. Today I am here to deliver my speech on Diwali. Diwali is one of India's biggest and main festival. The meaning of Diwali is rose of lighted lamp. Hindus celebrate it with very much joy. This festival is the festival of lights. People decorate their house with diyas. There is love and joy all around. Thank you to listen me.
Hello everyone, I am Seema. I am working here as a teacher in this campus. On this occasion, I want to give a message. Don't pollute the environment and enjoy your Diwali very well. Thank you, have a nice day and wish you a very happy Diwali to all of you.
Hello everyone, I am Kiran Jakat from Swami Vivekanand Senior Secondary School, Goriwala. First of all, happy Diwali to all. Diwali is a festival of light. It is celebrated all over India with great joy and happiness. On this day, people decorate their houses and make rangoli in front of their houses. During this festival, people worship Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha during the evening hours. This festival marks the victory of good over evil. Once again, happy Diwali to all. Thanks.
I am the principal of SVS Goriwala. First of all, happy Diwali all of you. On this occasion, we burn all evils, add joy and happiness. Don't use crackers, it pollutes the environment. Follow the guidelines of COVID-19. We are celebrate safe and eco-friendly Diwali. Thanks.
SVS संस्था परिवार की तरफ से सभी देशवासियों को दीपावली के पावन पर्व की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। दीपावली का पावन पर्व आप सभी के जीवन में बहुत सारी खुशियाँ लेके आए और मैं आप सभी से अपील करना चाहता हूँ कि इस दीपावली पर कोविड-19 की गाइडलाइन के अकॉर्डिंग प्रदूषण रहित दीपावली मनाएं और मिट्टी के दीपक की जलाएं। थैंक यू।
सबसे पहले तो मैं देशवासी और पेरेंट्स व प्यारे बच्चों, मैं आपको दीपावली की बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ। ईश्वर आपको स्वस्थ रखे और खूब आप बेटा तरक्की करो। और दीपावली के लिए मैं विशेष आपको कहना चाहता हूँ कि प्रदूषण रहित दीपावली मनाएं। एक बार पुनः आपको दीपावली की बहुत बहुत